Welcome to the brand new liveProject platform from Manning Publications. Live projects are designed to teach you new skills by putting you in the driver's seat. That means you'll learn by doing, tackling real-world data science and software development challenges, and building cutting-edge projects with just the right amount of help so you can develop your own solutions. Depending on what type of learner you are, you can either enroll in a live project solo or with a peer group of like-minded individuals. After enrolling in a live project, you'll build up to a solution through a series of task-based milestones, developing the final result layer by layer. Without ever leaving the platform, you'll be able to see your own and others' group chats and read the live project FAQ. You can compare notes, code, and depending on the learning path you choose, you'll have the option to attend weekly live chats and consult with an expert mentor. At Manning, we believe in the power of learning by doing, and our live projects have been built from the ground up for active learners like you. Instead of absent-mindedly coding along to a pre-recorded lesson, you will invest your time by writing your own code and challenging yourself in an engaging environment. To get started, go to liveproject.manning.com today.